Hi everyone, this is Sharan here. Welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, we are going to look at what is happening in the Nifty and probably also look into what is happening in Bank Nifty. Now, in the last couple of days, right from the month of June, right, end of month of June, 21 of June, we have seen there has been a continuous rally that has gone upside. Right, almost from 15,100 to 18,000 points, almost 3,000 points, right, which is a very good number. Right now, what has happened here is in the last 2 days, if you see here, right, these are the last 2 days that we can see what is happening is huge amount of sell-off is happening. Right, is this a sell-off? Is this a correction? We will discuss about it as we go ahead. But last 2 days, we have seen that the index has fallen by almost 3%. Right, Nifty and Bank Nifty both put together, more or less there itself. Right now, how do we say or how do we look forward to this? Is this going to be a correction or is this going to be a crash and everything? We will discuss both ways. Right now, what is a correction? When the correction is, we will look into Fibonacci levels and try and understand what is a good level of correction. So if suppose the price comes to 0.3 to 0.5 between these levels from the low, right, which is in June 20th. From there, if I consider, and if the price comes anywhere between these levels and then starts consolidating and starts moving up, this should look for an ideal correction and then momentum upside. Right now, this is something that we will discuss. Now, if suppose it doesn't happen, right, on a larger scale, if the price comes even up to 0.6, we can look forward to it, but not below 0.5 and 0.6k niche, which is around 16,300 on a larger scale. Now, on a shorter time frame, how do we look at it? We will consider the recent move that came in, right, continuous. If you see, this is the place from 16,400 or 16,500 levels to 17,996 levels, right? If I have to consider that also, 0.6, around 0.6 and 0.7 is what we usually look for reversals, is around the same level of 17,100. Correct? On a larger time frame, if the price has to reverse, or from a shorter time frame, this area is going to act as an important level. 1. 2, if you see previously also, this was the resistance, right? This was the resistance which might act as a support in the coming days. Right? I'm not saying that it will come there, but it might. If it comes there, this is what I will be looking at. Right? This is the second thing. Now, Sharan, let's assume it doesn't go there, and it is very far away also from here, almost 2% more on an index wise. Can we consider something trade setups in this level? Yes, we'll also look into that. Now, for that reason, what I've done is, if you look at my previous videos, we had marked certain levels, zones. Right? If the price is in that zone, we will wait for that level or zone to break and then take a trade. Now, previously also, previous videos, if you go and see, these are the levels that I had marked, right, which I'm going to keep it constant. I'm not going to change that. I'm going to say this is the zone. All right. Now, if the price opens in this zone, right, this candle on 4th of August will be an important level for me, right, because this is creating a zone for itself. Right. So as long as the price is in this zone, I will take a trade between this and this, which is about 17,150 to 17,500. These are the points that I will be playing out. Right. If suppose it opens and sustains in this zone. Now, if there is very negative news in the market and it starts moving beyond this zone, I'm going to exit with this zone, cancel, and I'm going to consider this important zone between 17,150 and 16,800 levels. Now, this will be the place where I will consider my support and resistance, and based on which I will take trades. Right? Let us at this point of time understand or assume that tomorrow markets will be there consolidating. Right? It will consolidate between this. I'm not assuming that the price will straight away open below 17,000. It may happen. I'm not saying it will not happen. It may happen. But as of now, let's understand, if at all, if the price is in this zone, how do I take a trade? Right? I'm going to go into a shorter time frame so that it becomes easy. Right? 60 minutes. So if suppose, very simple. Now this is the zone I will be playing out. Right? All right. So how will we take a trade based on this? Now we suppose the price, right, is opening right within this zone, which is 17,600 and 17,400 levels. What we'll be doing is that we will wait for the prices to break this level of 17,468 and then go and short the market, right? This is setup number one. The setup number two is if the price opens within this zone, right, and sustains and starts moving above this, this is where we will try to enter for a call option buying on a buying side, right? If suppose the price opens within this zone, then these levels will be important for us, right? This will act as a resistance, this will act as a support, level 1 and level 2. These are my trade setups for tomorrow. All right, I hope you have been clear about this, and if there is anything else you want me to see. Okay, now what if there is a gap up tomorrow, right? If there is a gap up also tomorrow, we are going to consider these levels for us, right? So this is the level that we have marked. If this is in the range, we will not do anything. If it is above this level, we will consider this as the new support level and take a trade based on that, right? So something like this. So if there is an opening here, we like to see whether it reverses from this zone, right? So these are my trade setups for tomorrow. If there is anything else, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, see you on the other side. Thank you so much. Have a great trading day tomorrow.